Greetings. It's Jaime Lee Mann. Here is the disembodied voice that you are listening to. I suspect you're here because you took my brand vibe check and you discovered your brand personality or the vibe that you're giving. And if you followed along with the emails that accompanied that quiz sequence, you may have received your very own brand vibe cootie catcher. So I'm going to give you the instructions here and how to fold this, just in case you can't remember doing this whenever you were a kid. So as you see on the screen here, I have followed the instructions that are included on the cootie catcher or fortune teller, whichever you choose to call it, and you're going to follow those lines and cut into a square. Now you're going to you're going to take one corner all the way over to the opposite corner, and you're going to fold that and give it a nice crisp crease, and you're going to flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. Now the purpose of this little toy is to make sure that if you've got this thing sitting on your desk, and here again we're creasing, we're going to fold in half, and then we're going to fold in half the other way to give another good crease. When you have this on your desk, if you're feeling stuck or you need some inspiration when you're writing something for your brand, this is kind of tailored to your brand vibe, and it will help you kind of stay on track. So here you're going to take the corners, and you're going to fold each corner to the center. You'll notice that there are words on here. There are 4 words: youthful, lively, bold, and I forget the other one at the moment, but we'll see here in a second. And these are all attributes, of course, exciting, of an excitement brand, which is the personality of this particular cootie catcher. And those are, all qualities of an excitement brand to kind of help you stay on track. Now you'll see these blank triangles, which again, you're folding those corners into the center. Those are all to be filled in. I've given you prompts on this little cootie catcher or client catcher, and you'll be able to fill those in with your own brand values, your own where your inspiration's coming from for your brand. And so then you're going to just fold that again, and you're going to give it another good crease on each side, and you're going to pop your fingers inside there, and then you're just going to spell out and count out the letters in one of those words. So in the video, you'll see I'm spelling bold, B-O-L-D. There we go. And then you're going to pick, here I'm going to check on my brand vision. And there you go. Have fun.